Okay, this is our grocery haul for the Eden Island Spa in the Seychelles. Just ran in and bought a couple of things. Just before we start, it was very difficult because a lot of the things does not have a price on, like especially the large bulk items doesn't have a price on it. So you kind of have to guess what they cost, or estimate more or less what you think they cost. And also you have to look carefully because sometimes they would put, like the price for the butter, for instance, they would put for 500 grams, but then the whole shelf is full of 250 grams of butter. So you have to just look carefully and make sure that you read the labels correctly if you are on a budget and you are careful with how much you spend. But anyway, this is what we got for tonight. The Seychelles rupee, there's 15 Seychelles rupees in €1. So if you want to make that conversion, and there's 1.3 rand is one Seychelles rupee for the South Africans. So for the water, essential because it's really, really hot. For this pack of 12 500 ml bottles was 142 Seychelles rupees. The Heineken, it's 500 ml cans, and there's 24 of them, 1,533 Seychelles rupees. So it calculates to about 64 Seychelles rupees a can. And when we got here, we realized that in the store, if they sell a single can in the fridge that's already cold, for 62 Seychelles rupees. So a bit of a bummer there. We could have saved a couple of rand. But anyway, it is what it is. We're on holiday. We're not going to be too stressed about that. And then a 2-liter Coke. Let me just check what the Coke was. I think it was 24 Seychelles rupee for the Coke. For the milk, there's no fresh milk in the Spar, so you only have the long life milk. It was 29 Seychelles rupees. The tonic water, 28 rupees per can. So we bought 6, it was 68 Seychelles rupees. The Escort mini ham, this is actually surprisingly cheap, 102 Seychelles rupees for the ham. And then this was also cheap, actually cheaper than we buy it in South Africa, 9 rupees 90, so 10 rupees for a box for 3 boxes basically. Then the meat, this is 215 rupees a kilo, I suppose. So we paid 74 Seychelles rupees for 340 grams, and this one 92 for 430 grams. We always like to have fruit. There wasn't a big selection of fruit, and a lot of the fruit looked a bit wilted or worse for wear, but we bought these 6 apples for 92. The bread, sure, how much did we pay for the bread? 28 Seychelles rupees for the bread. No, I'm lying. 25 Seychelles rupees for the bread. And then we bought a ice lolly, which is completely defrosted now. For, what was this? I can't remember. And then the butter, 80 rupees for 250 grams. And then we bought a bag of ice, another essential, for 24 rupees. And yeah, that was our grocery haul. The total, we spent 2,473 rupees for this, which is just a little bit more than 3,000 rand, about 160 euro. So not cheap by any means, but it is what it is. We're on holiday.